What's up, guys? So yeah, I totally recorded this earlier. I was having all kind of issues with my computer and I couldn't get it to remux, I think it was, but here we are recording it again real quick. It's after market hours. Let's get to it. All right, so we're just going to fly through three of these trades real quick. ALF being the first one. These are all pretty standard today, minus JKS, which we'll get to. Previous resistance, popped through, got short, covered into the wash. IPW, same kind of thing. Can't scroll out any further. Actually, on this one halted right here. If we scroll in, you can kind of see it. Watched for it out of the halt. Kind of waited for it to jiggle a little bit. Felt it, got in, covered into the wash down towards 7. And actually it was under 7, and there we go. And VUZI, same kind of thing. Scroll back out. Previous resistance from the high of yesterday, popped through, got short. We were actually looking to get more out of this, but this thing started to grind a little bit, so we ended up taking it off a little bit before what we were looking for. So still wasn't too upset about this move. I'm pretty sure they all went higher, right? Yeah, IPW went higher, VUZI went higher, and ALF went higher. Ultimately ended up lower, but it did go higher first. And then we had JKS. Nothing too crazy about this one. If we scroll out, you'll see the pre-market highs there. Nothing too special. That was where we got that line. However, when we started this position, we added in and added in one last time before the drop, took some off, added back in, looking for this to be the sloppy seconds, and took some more off down here just to be safe, close to the VWAP. And we had our stop, obviously, right here, looking for this kind of to hold it down. And unfortunately, there was a bit of a short squeeze on some covers, and it tagged us before getting shoved down and making that move down towards that previous resistance, which is where we wanted to get that remaining shares filled. But unfortunately, that's not what happened. So nothing too special. We went a little bit on the smaller side today, still ending up around 75% of our goal over 4 trades, even though we traded on the smaller side. You know, yesterday was kind of not a good day, but it's okay to take hits. I mean, here, I'll show you guys real quick. Let's pull this over here, pull this back over here, drag this here. Sorry, trying to be fast so I don't waste too much time. And then we got to hit one more button here and off we go. So as you can see, here was the hit we took yesterday. It was a max loss, $242, I think it ended up being. So just a little rebound here today. The idea is if you hit goal 6 days in a row, you should be able to make up a max loss. So no biggie in the grand scheme of things. I mean, you can see it's definitely a little pullback, but hopefully we realized that we just emotionally weren't here yesterday. There was a slew of problems from yesterday, and we're just gonna move on, right? We learn from it, move on, and that's all we can do. So that's all I got for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.